guys, I'm super excited to show you that I got my own 2-in-1 face steamer in the mail today. Super excited. I want to unbox it with you guys on camera. We'll go over the quality and overall the whole entire thing today. I'm super excited. I've never had such awesome things. First of all, in the box, number one thing here is the instruction manual. Inside, everything is all neatly wrapped in bubble wrap. Really cool. Check that out. That must be our mag lamp with the LED all the way around it. Nicely packaged. Nothing is damaged. This is the unit that holds the liquid water in there to steam us. Look at all those functions up there. Very cool. Holds here I have it all set up. This right here, like I said earlier, this is that LED light with the magnifying glass. And this part right here is where the steamer is going to let out all the steam. This part right here is where we put the water in. You can raise this to your level. You can roll this around, which is really nice. So let's put some water in it. Just a simple turn. Just want to show you that there is a minimum and there is a maximum on here, so make sure that you guys are paying attention to that. So here we go. Press on. So for right now, once we turn it on, we're gonna wait for this to start boiling the water down here. So once it starts boiling, we are gonna see that steam start to come out, and then we'll start to demonstrate with our bright light and magnifier right on top here. All right, as you guys can see, it is starting to boil pretty well here. The steam is coming out. It is a very comfortable mist spray here. Feels really nice. I want to show you how bright this light is. Check that out. There are various bright levels on this. So lower, a little higher, and highest. Feels so nice. It's really pampering. I also want to show you guys this magnifying glass because it is very, very cool. So take a look at the magnifying glass. You can see the cool features. You can see how lit up this magnifying glass makes everything be here. This is a really cool machine. If you just want to pamper yourself at home, this is something you need. I know I'm excited to give my little ones a facial tomorrow with this. They're gonna be so excited. They're gonna feel like they're at the spa without being at the spa and paying those really expensive prices.